The GM4 installer on Windows that we get from the GM4 download page doesn't include datasets. However, GM4 datasets are needed to run GM4 simulation. Here is how we solve this problem. I have mentioned this topic in quite a few GM4 videos before. However, as both GM4 and my own experience evolves, it's time to give an update on this topic. If we choose to compile GM4 instead of just installing the precompiled GM4 libraries on Windows, there is an option in CMake for us to enable automatic installation of GM4 datasets. If we use the installer, there's no such an option. After installation, we also won't be able to find the data subdirectory in the share folder in your GM4 installation folder. The official GM4 installation guide says that it is optional to set the environment variable for datasets, but it is absolutely necessary to point this variable to the location where our datasets are located. Otherwise, we will get an error message like this, complaining that GM4 cannot find ENSDF state dataset. The latest GM4 is shipped with an experimental Windows batch script, gm4.bat, trying to set the environment variable gm4 data dir for us automatically. However, it only works if we compile GM4 by ourselves. If we choose to install the precompiled libraries, the setting in this script is wrong. That's why I wrote my own Windows batch files to do that. You can find them on this website. Older versions of the scripts are still available on a different website, but will be removed soon to avoid confusion. As versions of GM4 datasets change together with the version of GM4, I provide different scripts for different GM4 versions. For example, if we want to install datasets that work with GM4 11.3, we need to use the script 11.3.bat. Click to open this script. Right-click the raw button and then left-click Save Link As to save this script as it is to a folder in our local hard disk. For example, GM4 datasets. Double-click the file to run it, and it will automatically download necessary datasets associated with a specific GM4 major release to the folder where this script is located, and set the environment variable GM4 data dir to the same folder. To double-check if everything is set correctly after the script is finished, press the Windows key to launch the Windows menu and type env to narrow down items related to environment variable settings. Launch Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Check if GM4 data dir exists. If yes, check if it is pointed to the right folder and all datasets do exist in that folder. To summarize, we must set GM4 data dir environment variable. Otherwise, your GM4 simulation won't work. It is not optional. Make sure that this environment variable points to the folder where GM4 datasets are actually located. Different versions of GM4 needs different datasets. The official gm4.bat doesn't work with official GM4 installer. Please use batch script in this particular website to automatically install datasets and set the environment variable properly. Instructions listed here regarding datasets are obsolete.